This is the Acadia Tabletop stand from Salamander Designs. In this video, I will walk you through why this is a great option for video conferencing in small to medium-sized spaces. So what exactly is it? Well, it's a weighted stand that can securely hold your display, video bar, and all those cables back there neatly and securely in one place. So, what problem does this stand actually solve? Video conferencing systems are being installed in almost every space. In corporate offices, healthcare facilities, schools, universities, and even home offices just like this. Why? Because video is now a standard way of communicating, teaching, learning, and it has become a universal communications tool. Which brings me to a number of problems that the Acadia Tabletop stand solves. Number one, wall mounting. If you are adding video conferencing in a space, you would probably expect to mount your display and video bar to the wall because it's clean and functional. But mounting the display to the wall can be cost prohibitive, time consuming, and in some cases just not possible. Number two, wobbly feet. Let me explain. Many teams choose to place their display on a sturdy credenza, which is a great way to add character and decor to your room. It can also be more economical and faster to install. However, while the little feet that come in the box with your display may be strong enough to hold perhaps just the screen itself, it may not be able to support the weight of a video bar, causing it to wobble when people walk around the room or when they close the privacy shutter, etc. And worse yet, it can potentially fall, break, or even hurt someone. And finally, problem number three, figuring out the optimal height of your camera for your space. Most video conferencing systems aren't installed at the right height. Sometimes they are mounted too high and you have this bowling alley or security camera-like view of everyone in the room. Or it's mounted too low and well, let's just say that's not really visually appealing for the remote audience. But don't worry, the Acadia Tabletop stand solves all these problems. First of all, with a credenza, no harm is done to your walls, no electrical outlets have to be moved, and because this isn't fixed to the wall, it can be easily moved to any other space without any construction costs. Now, one of the things that everyone seems to struggle with is cable management, or lack of any cable management, and you probably know what I'm talking about. But that's where the Acadia really shines, because it has two secure storage areas on the back where you can mount your PC or Android-based compute, wireless sharing hardware, an Apple TV, power strips, etc., which makes for a simple, easy, and secure installation. If you'd like to anchor it further, the stand itself can be physically mounted to the tabletop, and you can also purchase an optional clamp directly from Salamander. But wait, there's more. Not only can you assemble the Acadia stand in 20 minutes, you can also adjust the height and the tilt of the display, which is so important because every space is different. And the video bar, well, you can mount it on the top, like I have it right here, or even at the bottom, further optimizing the field of view based on how your room is actually set up. We're proud to have Salamander Designs as a Logitech collaboration partner, and given our laser focus on sustainability, I'm happy to report that the Acadia Tabletop stand is crafted from 98% recyclable, all powder-coated steel materials. That is a big win for sustainability and our environment. Now, if you're wondering about display sizes, you can mount a 43-inch display just like this one, or you could go up to a 65-inch display as long as the weight is under 55 pounds. As a precaution, please refer to all specifications and requirements on the Salamander Designs website. And that's pretty much it. In summary, the Acadia Tabletop stand is a great way to quickly set up video conferencing in all those spaces that need a single display and, of course, your favorite Logitech video bar. This gives IT teams a simple, flexible, and cost-effective solution to scale quickly and get the install done right the first time. And if you need to move it later, well, you can. For more information on the Acadia Tabletop stand, please visit Salamander's website at salamanderdesigns.com. Thank you for watching.